Hey everybody, do you hear about it? Platinum Day! Hi guys, I know you're excited just as I am. I know you're feeling and hearing all the buzz about Platinum Day. What is Platinum Day? Now that's the day that you get to ship any amount of packages free. Free shipping, I said it. Of course there are rules to be applied. Now one of them is you have to be a Platinum member for at least 6 months prior to Platinum Day. And that is easy because I know you're already a Platinum member. Another thing is, the largest package that you're shipping on Platinum Day cannot be larger than the largest package you've shipped over the last year. There are also benefits. This is the number one benefit to our customers. We give it away free on Platinum Day. Amazon go ahead and lower their prices. No, we just do it free. Platinum Day for all our customers. Free. Free, I tell you, free. If you're not already a Platinum member, go to our homepage, look in the top right-hand corner and click Join Platinum Membership and become a Platinum member. Ensure that the next Platinum Day that comes around, you are here to benefit. Benefit from Platinum Day by joining Platinum Membership. It's free. I am going to make you Platinum King, Shipping King. Platinum Day.